everyone! Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common and frustrating Outlook error. Are you seeing the message user has no mailbox and no license assigned when trying to set up Outlook on your Windows 11 PC? This error basically means Outlook can't find your email account's home on the server, or it thinks you don't have permission to use email. It's usually a problem with your Microsoft 365 or Exchange account setup, not your Outlook app itself. Don't worry, we'll walk through some simple steps to get you back online and sending emails. Let's dive into the fixes. First, the most common reason is a missing license assignment. Your administrator needs to assign you an appropriate Microsoft 365 license that includes Exchange Online. An admin can do this by logging into the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, navigating to Users, then Active Users, selecting your account, and checking the Licenses and Apps tab. Make sure a license like Microsoft 365 Business Standard or E3 is assigned and that Exchange Online is enabled under Apps. This is crucial for your mailbox to exist and function. Second, sometimes the mailbox hasn't been fully provisioned or created. Even with a license, it can take a little time for the mailbox to be ready on the server. An administrator can verify this in the Exchange Admin Center. They should check if your user account has a primary mailbox associated with it. If not, they might need to create it or ensure the license assignment process completed correctly. This often happens with brand new accounts. Third, allow time for synchronization. After any changes are made by your administrator, such as assigning a license or creating a mailbox, it can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours for these changes to fully sync across all Microsoft services. Patience is key here. Try waiting for an hour or two and then attempt to set up Outlook again. Fourth, check your DNS records if you're using a custom domain. If your organization uses its own domain name for email, like yourcompany.com, the DNS records, specifically MX, name, and SRV records, must be correctly configured to point to Microsoft 365. Incorrect DNS settings can prevent Outlook from finding your mailbox. This is typically handled by your IT administrator or domain registrar. Fifth, try re-adding the account in Outlook. Sometimes, a fresh start can resolve minor glitches. Close Outlook completely. Go to Windows Settings, then Accounts, then Email and Accounts. Remove the problematic email account from there. Then, open Outlook and try adding the account again from scratch. This can often clear up cached credentials or configuration issues on your local machine. Finally, if none of these steps work, it's time to contact your IT administrator or Microsoft support. Provide them with the exact error message and detail all the troubleshooting steps you've already taken. They have deeper access to your organization's settings and can investigate further. There you have it. Fixing the user has no mailbox and no license assigned error usually involves checking these core settings. We hope one of these solutions helps you resolve this issue quickly. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your experience, share it with anyone who might need it, and consider supporting for more tech tips. See you next time.